Jai Hind. I-5 Cadet Kartik Sharma from 1st GNK Ladakh Naval Unit NCC Srinagar is here to speak about the topic Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated every year on 26th of July. On this date in 1999, India successfully took command of the high outpost. The Kargil War was fought for more than 60 days and ended on 26th of July 1999 when the Pakistani army took advantage of the melting snow and betraying the bilateral understanding of both the nations that the post would remain unattended during the winter season. Took command of the high outposts of India, the Pakistani army denied involvement in the war, claiming that it was caused by the independent Kashmiri rebel forces. However, documents left behind by casualties and later statements by Pakistan's Prime Minister and Chief of Army Staff showed involvement of Pakistani paramilitary forces led by General Ashraf Rashid. The Kargil War resulted in the loss of life on both the sides and was ended when India regained control over the post and ejected the Pakistani army out of the territory. It is celebrated every year in the honor of Kargil war heroes. This day is celebrated in the Kargil sector and the national capital New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti. Talking about the history. The conflict is believed to have been orchestrated by then Pakistani Army Chief General Pervez Musharraf without the knowledge of then Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. It began with the infiltration of both Pakistani troops and terrorists into Indian territory. The infiltrations positioned themselves in key locations that gave them a strategic advantage during the start of the conflict. Based on the information from local shepherds, the Indian army was able to ascertain the points of inclusion and launch Operation Vijay. Pakistan shot down the 2 Indian fighter jets while another fighter jet crashed during the operation. Pakistan asked the US to intervene, but then President Bill Clinton declined to do so until Pakistani troops were withdrawn from the line of control. As Pakistani troops withdrew, armed forces attacked the rest of the outpost, managing to get back the last of them by end July. The army declared the mission successful on July 26, 1999. Since then, the day has been celebrated annually as Vijay Divas. Pakistan initially denied any role in the conflict, saying India was facing off with Kashmiri freedom fighters. However, it later awarded its soldiers medal for the conflict, removing any doubt of its involvement. The government of India responded with Operation Vijay, a mobilization of 2 lakh Indian troops. The war came to an official end, thus marking it as Kargil Vijay Divas. 527 soldiers from Indian armed forces lost their lives during the war.
Concluding with a short poem. प्राण दिए पर कर दी दुश्मन की हर कोशिश नाकाम, ओ सीमा के सहज प्रहारियों शत शत तुम्हें प्रणाम। दिया कारगिल युद्ध क्षेत्र में जो तुमने बलिदान, युगों युगों तक याद रखेगा उसको हिंदुस्तान। छक्के छुड़ा दिए दुश्मन के जीना किया हराम, धन्य धन्य पितुमात तुम्हारे धन्य तुम्हारा गांव। जिनकी गोद में पले बड़े तुमसे ललना के पाँव, जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा अमर रहेगा नाम। पड़ा भागना पाक फौज को लेकर अपनी जान, सौ के ऊपर पड़ा हिंद का बारी एक जवान। अपने कर्मों का नवाजी भोग गए परिणाम।
Remembering the Kargil war heroes. Captain Vikram Batra, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, Captain Anuj Nair, Major Rajesh Singh Adhikari, Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey, Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav, Naik Digender Kumar, Lieutenant Balwan Singh. The list of these heroes and their sacrifice to be noted down is endless. So, ending with the words of the Captain Vikram Batra, said that I'll either come back after raising the Indian flag in the victory or return wrapped in it, but I will surely come. The words like Ye Dil Mange More and the words of other heroes are still in our heart. So it's our prime duty to remember these heroes and celebrate our Vijay Divas by great pomp and show. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.